loop is so glorified. Like, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ishika. I am currently a second year MBBS student at Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. Today I am going to share my NEET journey, जो कि मुझे भी नहीं पता how it started and how it's going on. So basically we start from my 11th standard. 11th में I basically took math subject. But my father was like, take bio also. Like he forced me to take bio also. Like not forced, he insisted me to take bio also. And then मैंने bio के starting के एक दो chapter पढ़े जो वो थे plant kingdom, animal kingdom, और वो देख के मुझे पता चल गया ये मुझसे नहीं होने वाला. मैंने पापा को बोला I don't want to take bio, I only want to take math. But he was like just take for once. तो मैंने भी ले ली. I took both maths and bio in my 11th and 12th standard. And मेरा ऐसा कुछ NEET देने का कोई plan नहीं था. In fact मुझे I did not even know about NEET and JEE exams in my 10th standard. I got to know about them in my 11th and 12th standard only. 11th mostly went in Corona. Like Corona was going on, half of the year we did not go to the school. Then we started going to the school, and 11th was the worst academic year of my life. मतलब 11th में कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं. 11th कैसे चला गया मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल भी पता ही नहीं चला. After 12th when I took my drop year and started preparing for NEET, मतलब मुझे 11th के chapters के नाम भी याद नहीं थे. In the 12th standard also, in the beginning I did not study, but later on I became serious for the board exam and I studied for my board exam and it went well also. Then came the real part of the life कि अब मुझे करना क्या है. 12th is over, what I want to do. Like I did not want to give JEE exam because ये coding वगैरह and engineering was not my thing. I used to think like that. और बाकी कोई ज्यादा ऑप्शन के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं था. फिर बचता है नीट ऑप्शन एंड माय ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स आल्सो वांटेड मी टू बी अ डॉक्टर, so I started preparing for NEET. After my 12th standard, just after 1 month, I went to Sikar, Rajasthan for preparing for NEET exam. तो मार्च में हमारे बोर्ड एग्जाम हुए थे खत्म, and then in April only I went to Guru Kripa, Sikar, Rajasthan. I prepared for 1 year. मतलब पूरा मैंने अपना 80%, I gave my 80% for the NEET exam and I prepared for it. And then came the exam day. I gave the exam, came back home and I calculated my marks and it was 640. And मुझे पता था कि इसमें तो कॉलेज मिल ही जाएगा. It was a good score. उस साल पेपर काफी easy भी आया था. It was very easy. But then came the result and I got 33,000 rank and it was not possible for me to get a government college at that rank. Like I got 33,000 something rank क्योंकि उस साल काफी घोटाला हो गया था. Paper was leaked and they gave grace marks to the students. So many students scored 720 marks. This was that year. तो मतलब मुझे कोई कॉलेज मिलेगा ऐसा मुझे पता नहीं था. तो I went back to Sikar after 1 month of the result. And then I again started preparing for my NEET exam because हम उस loop में that NEET loop is so glorified. Like people take 4 or 5 years of drop to get to that government medical seat, and then after 5 years you are not certain about your job. This is what our medical system in India, and this is not a good thing. That NEET is so glorified that people prepare even for 5-6 years to get that government seat, and what they get in return of that? Nothing. Just more 10 years of studying. मतलब इतना glorify कर रखा है for parents, for students that they think after clearing NEET their life is set. It is nothing like that. You have to study hard in your MBBS also. Then one competitive exam is waiting for you after MBBS. Doing MBBS is not a big thing nowadays. Everyone is doing MBBS. If you are not doing PG or you are not cracking any other government exam, it is useless for you also, for other people also. You don't have any financial stability till you are 24-25 years of age. This is all about NEET exam, but that's okay. I gave my NEET exam. Then I again started preparing. But fortunately, I did my 9 to 12 schooling from Sikandrabad, Telangana, because my father is in army and he was posted there. So I got to know that if you have studied 4 years, like 9 to 12 in Telangana, you can apply for state quota there as an educational quota. my friend told me that you can apply there, so I applied there. And तेलंगाना का कट ऑफ नीट के लिए बहुत कम जाता है. You can easily get college in my rank. Or in fact, I have done NCC B certificate in my 11th and 12th standard. It was also very helpful to get a good college in Telangana. मेरा स्कोर था 640, फिर उसमें मुझे एनसीसी के भी 19 मार्क्स ऐड हो गए थे, तो आई गॉट अ डिसेंट rank to get a college in Telangana. In fact, I got Osmania Medical College, one of the most prestigious college of the state, and I was happy with that because I was expecting Kakatiya Medical College, but मुझे Osmania Medical College मिल गया, तो मैं बहुत खुशी थी उस चीज को लेकर. Yeah, this is my NEET journey. मतलब regrets, I have few regrets. Like जो लाइफ मैं सोच कर आई थी वैसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी कॉलेज लाइफ. एंड मैंने सोचा था नीट क्लियर करना इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. एंड आफ्टर कमिंग टू कॉलेज आई गॉट टू नो इट इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड हियर ऑल्सो, आफ्टर हियर ऑल्सो, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू डू, otherwise it's of no use. It could have been better if I would have got college in my state, but I don't think so. क्योंकि एमबीबीएस इज एमबीबीएस, इतना स्ट्रगल, इतना हेक्टिक, डॉक्टर्स इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, बट देयर सैलरी इज नॉट दैट अप टू द मार्क इन इंडिया. तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. मतलब मुझे थोड़े से रिग्रेट्स हैं क्योंकि मैं उतनी हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक सो, but yeah, it's okay. I got the MBBS seat. I'm very grateful for that, and I will work hard as much as I can. And I just have to survive three and a half, almost 4 more years in this college. Then I will get out of this college and I will do something. I will decide what I have to do in my life, what I want to continue, what I want to do personally that I like, that I can do better. It's like पापा मेरा छोटा सा घर होगा, छोटी गाड़ी होगी, पर मैं खुश रहूंगा. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.